We are underway today. We're moving around somewhere. Top secret. Happy quarantine, everyone. And it is, I think, day 40-something for us on here. Today, I want to show you how to do caramelized leeks. The caramelized onions are one of my most favorite things, but leeks is the same premise. You just gotta kind of cut them where the green just starts and then clean between them. And then you just slice them thin. The idea is to basically get all the water out of the onion, leek, whatever. It's basically drying them out and then controlling the sugar development once the water's gone. Otherwise, you can't get the caramelization and the sweetness. But it's really nice. Like, I've seen people add sugar to caramelized onions. That's definitely not the way. Just caramelize them on their own. They're one of my most favorite things. It could be a soup on their own. It could be a dressing, anything. They're just very versatile. Shit. Did you miss filming me, Patty?
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What part did you miss?
Oh, just your face, really.
Has anyone ever caramelized your onion before?
No.
No? Would you like that?
Oh, I've never tried it.
Those are done. All right. We have finished. It was just over a half hour to get something that looks like this. It's naturally sweet. Underneath, all the flavors concentrated. To be honest, I made a mistake and I misjudged the oil. So I had extra oil, which, I mean, that for a vinaigrette or the base of a sauce, it's amazing. It's just made leek oil by accident. Good on steak, good on fish, good in salads, vinaigrettes. I've even made ice cream out of this for actually for a savory dish. It's really good. Patty, have you ever incorporated caramelized onions into your lovemaking?
No, never been asked that question either.
Really? So I'm the weird one?
Yeah, basically.
Oh, shit. I hope everyone's doing all right. I don't know what week your lockdown is, but we're on week. What week are we on? 6?
7 or 8.
6, 7, or 8. We don't even know anymore. Soon we will be moving across the Atlantic, perhaps. We don't know. Still on quarantine, still with no land, no nothing. It's been, 45 days or whatever since we touched land. Thanks for joining in. I hope this stuff helps. It's just so versatile. If you love onions like I do, this is onions times 10 in terms of pleasure. That's it, everyone. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're safe. Hope you're COVID-free. See you soon.